So I'm going to be talking about Microsoft Translator. I think it's a really cool tool, especially for this kind of virtual learning that we've had to become accustomed to more recently. Um, so just to show you how it works, you're just going to come in, just find Translator, and type in your name, select your language. You can select all different kinds of languages here. I'm saying I'm using this product in the classroom, and then you're just going to hit enter. You go on in. I think it's really cool because it allows you to create a chat room, and it sets to whatever language you prefer, and then translates what other people are saying into that language and translate what you're saying in that language to whatever language other people are looking at. And then as you can see here, right now I have this microphone turned on, so it's doing this kind of dictation thing for me. It's even doing punctuation. Um, so I just think it's a really good tool, uh, just to let students have that ability to have basically a one-on-one translator as much as you can in this virtual learning time. And then you can also turn this off, and then you can type out what you're saying really easily. It's just makes it really easy to communicate with students maybe that aren't as comfortable communicating in English, gives them that option, and then they can kind of move between those two and just have a little extra support as well. Um, so it's all you have to do for your students is it gives you this code, and you can share this conversation code that they can get into. They can also use this QR code if you're in person in a class. Um, and yeah, it's just a really easy tool that allows your students to engage with you even if there is that language barrier. And yeah, I really like it. I think this is a great example of UDL as well. It brings in engagement. You're engaging students in a different way than you normally would, whether that be just from a language perspective or if it's this kind of chat room idea as well. It also, I think, is a great representation tool because not every school is going to have access to great translators. And so having this as something that shows that you are intentionally pursuing students who may not have the same access as others is a really great thing to have available. Then I think it's a great tool for action and expression in that UDL guidelines as well. Um, like I said, you can turn this on, then you can just dictate what you're saying. You can turn it off and type things in. It's just, yeah, I just think it's a really cool tool. I'm really excited to use it in my class.